Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss the exercises questions from ranking. Now we know that there are 4 types of questions that can come in your competitive exams from ranking. These are type 1, finding rank or position of a person or an object. Type 2, that deals with finding the total number of persons or objects that are in a class or in a row. Type 3 is basically finding logical sequence. That means that certain data will be given to us and we have to arrange it in order of height, maybe scores, maybe rank, their weight, or anything like that. Then we have type 4, that means arrangement of numbers. So it deals with numbers. Okay, so in the previous lecture, we discussed these 2 types, that is type 1 and type 2. In today's lecture, we will discuss type 3 and type 4, that means finding logical sequence and arrangement of numbers. So we will solve certain exercise questions to get a better conceptual clarity on these 2 types. Okay, so let us start with type 3, finding logical sequence. So this data is given to us and based on this data, we have to find the answer. Now, it is given to us that there are 5 men and they have different heights. So what are the 5 men? A, B, C, D and E. Less than 2 men are shorter than A. So it means that if there are 5 men, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so shorter than A, there are less than 2. So either one person is shorter than A or no person is shorter than A. So either one, less than 2 means either one or no one. Okay, less than 2 means, so less than 2 means either 1 or 0. Okay, it means either 1 or 0. So 2 possibilities are there. As many men are taller than A as shorter than B. As many men are taller than A as shorter than B. So B will be either here or here. Correct? This is the taller side and this is the shorter side. So as many men are taller than A as shorter than B. Similarly, as many men are taller than A than shorter than B. So 2 possibilities we are taking. D is taller than C but shorter than E. So we know that D is taller than C but shorter than E. So this is the criteria. So I can simply fill it over here and I can fill it over here. So we get 2 possibilities now. Now it is given to us that C is not the shortest man. So C is not the shortest. That means this possibility is wrong because in this possibility C is the shortest. So this possibility, this one is the final arrangement. Clear? This one is the final arrangement. Now it is given to us that the height of the third tallest man is 97 meter. So third tallest will be D. D is 97 meter. Correct? If the height of the shortest man is 57 meter. So shortest is A, height is 57 centimeter. Okay. This is the height of the shortest man. We have to find what may be the height of C. So C falls in between D and A. So C height can be anywhere between 97 centimeter and 57 centimeter. So C height can fall into this broad category. So we have option 67 centimeter, 77 centimeter and 85 centimeter. So all the 3 heights lie between 57 and 97 centimeter. Therefore, option number 4, that all the given heights are a possibility, will be the correct answer. Clear? Moving on to question number 2. Question number 2 says that there are 6 students A, B, C, D, E and F that have obtained marks in an examination. A has obtained marks more than only 2 students. So if there are 6 students, A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, A has obtained more marks than only 2 students. So A will be over here. This is the highest scorer. Over here side we have highest scorer and over this side we have the lowest scorer. So A has scored marks more than only 2 people. So 2 places will be empty towards the right of A. B has obtained more marks than D, but not highest. So B has obtained more marks than D. We will save this information, but B will not come here because B has not scored the highest. F has obtained more marks than only C. So F will be over here and C will be over here. So F has obtained more marks than C. Now, if I cannot place B in this position, I have B and D that I have to place together. So my B will be here and my D will be here. So how many people we have placed? We have placed 5 people. So the only one remaining is E. So E's position will be this. Now, the question says that the one who obtained the second highest marks obtained 280. So second highest will be B. B has obtained 280 marks. Okay. The one who obtained the second lowest marks has obtained 190 marks. So second lowest will be F. F has obtained 190 marks. The question says that if the total marks of the examination is 500, then who among the following possibly obtained 60% marks? So out of 500, what will be 60%? Out of 500, 60% will be what? This will cancel. We will get 300. So basically, we have to find out who amongst the following can score 300 marks. Correct? So if B is scoring 280, E will score more than B. Rest, everyone will score less than B. So E is the only person that can score more than B, that is 280. So E is the person who can score 300 marks. Correct? So my answer will be option number 2, E. Clear? Going to question number 3. Question number 3 says that there are 5 men and they have different heights. Less than 2 men are shorter than A. So 5 men, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So less than 2 men are shorter than A means A will be over here. Sorry, A will be over here or A will be over here. Less than 2 means either 1 or 0. Correct? As many men are taller than B as shorter than A as shorter than B. So this is basically the tall person is over here, taller, and this is the short side. So B will be either here, B will be either here. Correct? D is taller than C but shorter than E. So D is taller than C but shorter than E. So this will be the position. 2 possibilities. Now, it says that C is not the shortest. So if C is not the shortest, this is incorrect. So this is the final arrangement. Correct? Now, the question says that the height of the third tallest man is 97 meter. So height of the third tallest. Third tallest means this is 97 centimeter. We have to find out how many men are taller than B. So basically in the final arrangement, B is the tallest. Correct? B is the tallest. So we have to find out how many men are taller than B. None. There is no one who is taller than B. Okay? Now, coming to question number 4. So 6 students are given to us. They have obtained different marks. A has obtained more marks than only 2 students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A has obtained marks more than 2 students. B has obtained marks more than D but not the highest. So B does not come here. B has scored more than D. Okay. F has obtained more marks than only C. So F will come here. C will come here. The one who obtained the second highest marks obtained 280. So B, D is remaining. B cannot come here. That means B and E will come here. And the only person remaining is E. So E will come over here. Now it tells us that the one who has obtained the second highest. So over here we have the highest marks and over here we have the lowest marks, correct? So the one who has obtained the second highest has obtained 280. So B has obtained 280 and the one who has obtained the second lowest marks has obtained 190. Second lowest is F, so F has obtained 190. Correct? We have to find out who among the following obtained the lowest marks. So the lowest marks is definitely C. So our answer will be option number 3, C. Clear? Question number 5. Question number 5 says that there are 5 friends: Sachin, Kamal, Mohan, Arun, and Ram. So this is about heights. Sachin is shorter than Kamal but taller than Ram. So Sachin will be shorter than Kamal and taller than Ram. We are not clear about how many people are sitting between Kamal and Sachin and Ram. This is not clear to us. This is not given to us currently. We know that Mohan is the tallest. So now if I have 5 positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I can place Mohan over here. This is the taller side and this is the shorter side, okay? So now I can place Mohan over here. Mohan is the tallest. This information is given to us. We are keeping it on the side. Arun is a little shorter than Kamal and a little taller than Sachin. So Arun will be over here because Arun is shorter than Kamal and taller than Sachin. So Kamal is the taller one. Then we have then we have Arun, then we have Sachin, and then we have Ram. So I know I can place it like this: K, A, S, and R. So this will be my final arrangement. Okay, we have to find out who is the second tallest. So M is the tallest, K will be the second tallest, K is Kamal. So my answer will be option number 3, Kamal. Clear? Option number 3, Kamal. Here is the solution. Moving forward to question number 6. 5 men, different heights. So this, we have already made this in previous 2 questions. Now let us see again. So less than 2 men are shorter than A. So 2 possibilities, correct? Either 1 or 0. So A can be here, A can be here. As many men are taller than A as shorter than B. So B can be over here and B can be over here. D is taller than C but shorter than E. So D is taller than C, shorter than E. Correct? So it will be EDC or ED and C. It is given to us that C is not the shortest man, therefore this is not the arrangement. This one will be the final arrangement. Correct? This one will be the final arrangement. Now, the height of the third tallest man is 97. So third tallest is, this is the tall side and this is the short side. Third tallest will be D, correct? So this is, D is 97 centimeter. We have to find out who among the following is just shorter than E. So just shorter means immediately shorter than E. Immediately shorter than E. So immediately shorter than E is D. Just before E is D. Therefore, my answer will be option number 3, D. Clear? My answer is option number 3, D. Now, let us look at question number 7. Preeti scored more than Rahul. So, Preeti is here, Rahul is here. This is the more side and this is the less side. Okay? Yamuna scored as much as Divya. So, Yamuna has scored equal to Divya. Lokita has scored less than Manju. So, there is a Lokita who has scored less than Manju. Okay, how much less? We don't know. Rahul has scored more than Yamuna. So, we have Rahul over here, Yamuna will be over here and Yamuna is equal to Divya. We know that Manju scored less than Divya. So, Divya is over here, so Manju is over here and Manju has scored more than Lokita. So, if I see the arrangement, it is basically P is Preeti, scored more than Rahul. Rahul scored more than Yamuna. Yamuna scored equal to Divya. Divya scored, or Yamuna scored more than basically Manju, and Manju scored more than Lokita. Correct? So this is my arrangement. This one is my final arrangement. Final arrangement. Okay? Now, we have to find out who scored the lowest. So, who scored the lowest? Definitely Lokita scored the lowest. This will be the, not to. Who scored the lowest? Lokita scored the lowest. So, my answer will be option number 3, Lokita. Clear? Now, let us start with type 4 arrangement of numbers. So, let us start with question number 1. Question number 1 says, how many such numerals are there in this number which will remain at the same position when arranged in ascending order from left to right? So ascending order means increasing order, correct? Increasing order. So the numbers are 6, 4, 5, 9, 0, 3, 2, 8, 7. Now I have to arrange them in ascending order. So I will get 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have to find out how many numbers will be there which will remain at the same position. So if I look at these numbers, we have to identify how many remains at the same position. I can see only 8 being at the same position. The rest position have changed. So my answer will be option number 3, 1. Clear? My answer will be option number 3, 1. Now, moving on to question number 2. Certain numbers are given to us over here and certain instructions are given to us. These are our instructions. Based on these instructions, we will get a rearrangement and then we have to find the answer. It is given to us if 3 is subtracted from the middle digit of each of the following number. Okay, so 3 is subtracted from the middle digit. So 3 subtracted from 8, I will get 559. I will get 332. I will get 524. I will get 341 and I will get 412. We have subtracted 3 from 8, 6, 5, 7 and 4. Correct? Now, the position of the digits are reversed. So, the positions of the digits are reversed now. So, 559 becomes 955. Let me write it over here. 559 becomes 955. Similarly, 332 becomes 233. 524 becomes 425, 341 becomes 143 and 412 becomes 21 and 4. Correct? This is after reversement. We have to find out which of the following will be the last digit of the middle number. Middle number is this one. Last digit of the middle number is this one after they are arranged in descending order. So now we have to arrange them in descending order also. So if I arrange them in descending order, what will be the numbers? First I'll get 955, then I'll get 425, then I'll get 233, then 214 and then 143. So now I have to look at the middle number of the last digit of the middle number. So middle number will be 233, last digit will be 3. So my answer will be option number 3, 3. So basically we had to do actually 3 operations. The first operation was subtraction of 3. Subtraction of 3 from the middle digit. The second operation was reverse of the digits. So we reversed the digits. The third operation was we had to arrange them in decreasing order. Decreasing order or descending order. Correct? So these 3 operations were being carried out. Then we had to find out the last digit of the middle number. That will be 3. So my answer will be 3. Clear? Now, question number 3. So question number 3, again 5 numbers are given to us, certain instructions are given to us and we have to find out the answer. So following question are based on the 5 number given below. Study the given information and answer the following question. So what is the sum of the third digit of second number from left? So this is my left. This is my right. Correct? Second number from left will be 427. Second number from left will be 427 and third digit will be 7. Correct? Third digit will be 7. We have to find the sum. Second digit of third number from the right. So from the right, third number 1, 2, 3 is 189 and second digit is 8. So basically we have to sum these 2 digits and on summation we will get 15. So my answer will be option number 2, 15. Clear? My answer will be option number 2, 15. So here is the solution. So third digit from the second number from left we got 427. Second digit from third number from right we got 189. So this and this we added to get 15. Okay. Moving on to question number 4. So a number is given to us. it is said that 1 is added to all even numbers. So we have 6, 2, 4, 7, 3, 9, 8, 5 and 4. Correct? 1 is added to all even numbers. So even numbers means numbers that end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are your even numbers, correct? So numbers that end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that means we will add 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Then I will add 1 here and 1 here. So I will get 7, 3, 5, 9 and 5. Correct? It is said that 1 is subtracted from all the odd number also. So odd numbers are 7, 3, 9 and 5. 1 is subtracted over here. So if I subtract 1 from 7, I'll get 6. Similarly, I'll get 2, I'll get 8 and I'll get 4. So this will be my number after rearrangement. Correct? This will be my number after rearrangement. We have to find the sum of the digits, which is fifth from the left. So this is my left. Correct? This is my right. So fifth from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth from the left is 2. Correct? And fourth from the right. So right is here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 8. Fourth from the right is 8. So if you look at from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth from the left was 2 and fourth from the right. So 1, 2, 3, fourth from the right was 8. We have to find their sum. So 2 plus 8 will give me 10. So my answer will be option number 4, 10. Okay. So you can see whenever you get arrangement of numbers, basically you have to deal with numbers. So based on these numbers, certain instructions are given to us. So in the instruction, we got 2 instructions. First was adding 1 to all the even numbers. Second instruction was subtracting 1 from all the odd numbers. So based on those instructions, we found a rearrangement. And based on this rearrangement, we answered the question. Clear? Now, question number 5. Question number 5 says that if 2 is subtracted from the second digit of all odd numbers. So odd numbers means odd numbers that ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Correct? These are your odd numbers. So this is odd, this is odd and this is odd. So out of the odd numbers, 2 is subtracted. So 5, we have 563, 218, 732, 491 and 929. So out of these 3, we are subtracting 2. So this will become 561. This will become, if I subtract 2 from this, I'll get 489 and this will become 927. Correct? 2 is added in the first digit of all even numbers. Okay. So 2 is subtracted from the second digit. Sorry. So 2 is subtracted from the second digit. So second digit is this. So second digit we will subtract 2 from the odd number. So it will be 543, 471 and 909. Correct? Now 2 is added in the first digit of all the even number. So even numbers will be 218 and 732. And we are adding first digit. So we are adding 2 over here and 2 over here. So we are getting 418 and 932. Clear? Okay, so this will be our rearrangement. This will be after rearrangement. Okay, now we have to answer which number is lowest number after the arrangement. So we have to find the lowest number after the arrangement. The lowest number is definitely 418. Correct? The lowest number is 418 and 418 is corresponding to 218. So basically, if we carry out operations on 218, we get 418. Therefore, the lowest number after the arrangement will be 218. This will become the lowest. Clear? Now, question number 6. Question number 6 says, how many such digits are there in the number, each of which will remain the same position when the digits are arranged in the descending order? So how many digits are there? 8, 3, 1, 7, 2, 9, 5, 6 and 4. These are your digits. 8, 3, 1, 7, 2, 9, 5, 6, 4. We have to arrange them in descending order. So if I arrange them in descending order, I will get 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. This will be arrangement in descending order. We have to find out how many such digits are there which will remain same position. So position changed, changed, changed. So there is neither of the number which will retain the same position. So my answer will be option number 1, none. None of these numbers will retain the same position after rearrangement. Okay, now coming to question number 7. Question number 7 says that how many such number of pairs of digits are there in this number, each of which has as many digits between them in the number when they are arranged in ascending order. So basically we have two numbers. This is 95137248. Now I have to arrange them in ascending order. So I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 9. Now I have to see how many of them have the same number of digits between them. So basically I will start from 1. 1 and 2 has no digit between them. This was the original arrangement, correct? And this is after rearrangement. So between 1 and 2 we have no digit, but over here between 1 and 2 we had 2 digits. So moving on. Between 1 and 3, how many? 1 digit is there, and between 1 and 3 we had no digit, correct? Between 1 and 3, so this is also wrong. Now, between 1 and 4, we have 2 digits, over here we have 3 digits, so this is not the same. Between 1 and 5, 3 digits, over here no digit, so not same. Between 1 and 7, we have 4 digits, over here we have only 1 digit, so not the same. Between 1 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, and over here we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So not the same. Then between 1 and 9, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. And over here we had only 1 digit. So this is not the same. Now let us move on to the next number, which is 2. So 2, 3, no digit. And over here between 2 and 3, we had 1 digit. So not the same. 2, 4, 1 digit. And over here we had no digits, so not the same. 2, 5, 2 digits. 2, 5, 3 digits, so not the same. 2, 7, 1, 2, 3 digits, and over here we had no digit, so not the same. Moving on to 2, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, and between 2 and 8 we had only 1 digit, so not the same. And between 2 and 9 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, and over here between 2 and 9 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, so this is also not the same. Okay, moving on to the next number 3. So between 3 and 4 we had no digit. Over here between 3 and 4 we had 2 digits, so not the same. Now 3 and 5 we have 1 digit, and over here also 3 and 5 we have 1 digit. So first pair we have found out will be 3 and 5. Clear? Now 3 and 7 have 2 digits, and 3 and 7 had no digit, so this is not the same. 3 and 8 has 1, 2, 3 digits. So 3 and 8 over here also has 1, 2, 3 digits. So the next pair we have found out is 3 and 8. Clear? Then we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 has 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, and over here 3 and 9 has 2 digits, so this is not the same. Moving on to 4. So 4, 5 is 1 digit. 4, 5 over here is a long distance, so not the same. 4, 7 is 1 digit, and over here also 4, 7 is 1 digit. So the next pair we have found out is 4, 7. Okay. Now 4, 8 is 2 digits. Over here we have no digit, so this is not the same. 4, 9 is 3 digits, and 4 and 9 has a long distance over here, so not the same. Moving on to 5, 5, 7, no digit. 5, 7, 2 digits. So not the same. 5, 8, 1 digit. 5, 8, long distance, not the same. 5, 9, 2 digits. 5, 9, no digit. So this is not the same. Okay. Moving on to 7. 7, 8, 1 digit. Over here we had 2 digit. Not the same. 7, 9, 1 digit. And over here we had 3 digits. So not the same. Moving on to 8. 8 and 9, 1 digit. And over here we have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits between them. So not the same. So I can find only 3 pairs. 3 pairs are there which has the as many digits between them in the number when they are arranged. So my answer will be option number 3, 3. Clear? So in this lecture, we studied the other two types. That was, first one was logical sequence and second one was arrangement of numbers. So this completes the exercise questions of ranking. Now we will start with previous year questions from the next lecture. So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.